Hey, it's Star Guardian Ryuka, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving into some more Pokemon biology as we analyze Squirtle and its evolutions. We'll be going over this Pokemon's anatomy, game data, and habitat throughout the episode, as well as discussing the same points about Squirtle's entire evolutionary line. Today, we're starting with Squirtle, the tiny turtle Pokemon. This Pokemon has a light blue body that resides within a brownish-red shell that has a tan underbelly that is separated by a white ridge. When threatened, Squirtle can hide in its shell as a defensive measure. Squirtle's shell is also shaped in a way that allows for swimming at high speeds. The shell is actually soft upon birth and hardens as this Pokemon grows. Squirtle's eyes are red, and this Pokemon has a hooked upper lip, while still having a somewhat flat face. This water-type Pokemon is bipedal in nature, but has been shown to run on all fours, with each of its limbs consisting of 3 digits. Squirtle have an average height of 0.5 meters and an average weight of 9 kilograms. Though many believe that this Pokemon is some sort of mixture between a turtle and a squirrel, Squirtle actually has no relation to squirrels at all. Its tail isn't meant to resemble a squirrel, but instead the Minogame, a turtle that lived for 10,000 years, and grew a tail made out of seaweed. Its name origin is a mix of squirt and turtle, once again not attributed to squirrels. This is shown by its Japanese name being Zenigame, which is a mix of Zeni, money, Kame, turtle. The literal translation of this Pokemon's Japanese name is baby pond turtle. Just like the other Kanto starter Pokemon, Squirtle evolves at level 16, this time into Wartortle, the turtle Pokemon. Wartortle has a lot of similarities to its pre-evolution. Both are mostly bipedal, but have been seen running on all fours. Wartortle's lower limbs have 3 digits, while its upper limbs have 3 claws. This Pokemon also shares its hooked upper lip with Squirtle, but Wartortle has a few fangs that poke out. Wartortle has brown front-facing eyes with blue cheeks and small feather-like ears that are covered in a light blue fur. These ears are used to maintain balance while swimming. There are even some Wartortle who have ears that are the same color as their skin, but very few Wartortle with this variation have been seen in the wild, much less observed in a laboratory. Its shell is almost identical to Squirtle's, with a brownish-red shell and a tan underbelly separated by white ridges. Wartortle has a furred, wavy tail that cannot be completely withdrawn into its shell. This Pokemon has an average height of 1 meter, and an average weight of 22.5 kilograms. Wartortle takes inspiration from turtles and tortoises, especially the Minogame. Finally, we have Blastoise, which evolves from Wartortle at level 36 and is known as the Shellfish Pokemon, despite not being a fish or a shellfish. Blastoise is bipedal, just like its pre-evolution, and has a reddish-brown shell with a tan underbelly. Its main body is mostly a blue color, with the exception of its upper jaw, which is the same color as the underside of its shell. Blastoise also has 2 separate cannons that are arched above its shoulders. These cannons are gray in color and can be withdrawn or extended. These cannons project water at higher forces than that of a fire hose, and it can precisely hit a tin can up to 160 feet away. Blastoise water cannons are so strong they can punch through steel. Blastoise also has 3 claws on each of its hands, as well as 4 claws on its feet, with 3 being in the front and 1 being in the back. This back claw isn't a dew claw and makes contact with the ground when Blastoise moves. Finally, Blastoise has a small, stubby blue tail that comes out of the bottom of its shell. This Pokemon has an average height of 1.6 meters and an average weight of 85.5 kilograms. Blastoise shares many of its traits with turtles and tanks, while its cannons also resemble the tubes found in mussels and other shellfish, which may be why this Pokemon is classified as the Shellfish Pokemon. Just like Venusaur and Charizard, Blastoise is capable of both Mega Evolution and Gigantamaxing. Blastoise's 2 cannons now rest on its now bulkier arms, which are also accompanied by a shell of their own. These cannons can actually withdraw into the shell when not in use. As a replacement, Blastoise now has a large back cannon that is arced over its head. It grows eyebrow ridges that extend from its eyes to its ears. The eyes become red in color, and a small notch develops on its chin. Blastoise's megaform has an average height of 1.6 meters and an average weight of 101.1 kilograms. Blastoise's Gigantamax form brings the weaponry up to 31. Not only does it grow in size, but also the amount of cannons on this Pokemon's back increases dramatically. Its shell develops a hexagonal honeycomb pattern, with each comb hosting a set of twin cannons. Blastoise's shell becomes brown, and the underside becomes a red color, with a white ridge between the two. Its skin darkens, and multiple white triangles are seen on its legs and tail. Gigantamax Blastoise doesn't do any precise shooting, instead relying on the sheer amount of water power to beat its opponents. It's said that the main cannon on Blastoise's back is powerful enough to blast a hole through a mountain. This Pokemon has an average height of 25 meters and an unknown average weight. None of the members of the Squirtle line share their classifications. Squirtle is the tiny turtle Pokemon, Wartortle is the turtle Pokemon, and Blastoise is the shellfish Pokemon. All three of these Pokemon are pure water-type Pokemon, however. All three also lack any sexual dimorphism. This species has a sex ratio of 7 males for every 1 female, and the members of this evolutionary line can mate with any Pokemon from the Monster and Water 1 egg groups. Squirtle eggs have a hatch time of 5,140 steps to 5,396 steps, and have a base friendship of 70. This Pokemon has a catch rate of 45, or an 11% chance of catching it in a normal Pokeball at full health. This Pokemon line has a medium slow leveling rate. All three of these Pokemon have the bipedal with tail body type. The entirety of this line has Torrent as their ability and Rain Dish as their hidden ability. Mega Blastoise has Mega Launcher as its ability. Squirtle have the following stats: 44 HP, 48 attack, 65 defense, 50 special attack, 64 special defense, and 43 speed. Its natural learn set is Tackle and Tail Whip at level 1, Water Gun at level 3, Withdraw at level 6, Rapid Spin at level 9, Bite at level 12, Water Pulse at level 15, Protect at level 18, Rain Dance at level 21, Aqua Tail at level 24, Shell Smash at level 27, Iron Defense at level 30, Hydro Pump at level 33, and finally Skull Bash at level 36. Wartortle stats are better than Squirtle's and develop more defensively. This includes 59 HP, 63 attack, 80 defense, 65 special attack, 80 special defense, and 58 speed. Its natural learn set is Tackle, Tail Whip, Water Gun, and Withdraw at level 1, Rapid Spin at level 9, Bite at level 12, Water Pulse at level 15, Protect at level 20, Rain Dance at level 25, Aqua Tail at level 30, Shell Smash at level 35, Iron Defense at level 40, Hydro Pump at level 45, and finally Skull Bash at level 50. Next is Blastoise with 79 HP, 83 attack, 100 defense, 85 special attack, 105 special defense, and 78 speed. Upon Mega Evolving, this increases by 20 attack, 20 special defense, a whole 50 special attack, and 10 special defense. Blastoise was somewhat of a mixed attacker before its Mega Evolution, but then jumps in the special attack. Its learn set is Flash Cannon, Tackle, Tail Whip, Water Gun, and Withdraw at level 1, Rapid Spin at level 9, Bite at level 12, Water Pulse at level 15, Protect at level 20, Rain Dance at level 25, Aqua Tail at level 30, Shell Smash at level 35, Iron Defense at level 42, Hydro Pump at level 49, and finally Skull Bash at level 56. Blastoise also learns Flash Cannon upon evolution. Upon Gigantamaxing, Blastoise is able to use G-Max Cannonade, which deals damage, and for 4 turns, deals bonus damage to non-water type Pokemon equal to 1/6 of their health each turn. As a starter Pokemon, Squirtle is very rarely seen in the wild. Most Squirtle are bred domestically for trainers starting in the Kanto or Kalos region, given out by Professor Oak in the Kanto region and Professor Sycamore in the Kalos region. The Master Dojo on the Isle of Armor in Galar also bestows a Squirtle or a Bulbasaur onto new members. In the wild, Squirtle tend to live near riverbanks and lakes near areas that have both land and water to live on. They aren't common, but have been seen on both Route 24 and 25 of the Kanto region. They have also been rarely spotted on the Seafoam Islands, which is quite strange because the islands are generally too cold for Squirtle to live at. Squirtle have also been spotted at the Seaward Cave in the Alola region, most likely due to the same reasons as to why Bulbasaur and Charmander have been spotted in Alola. With that, we've gone over the biology of the Squirtle line, including their anatomy, game data, and their habitat. Let me know if there was anything I missed. I wasn't able to upload last week, but I'm hoping to get this back on track as a weekly series. I'm going to be focusing more on this project over hosting streams, so if you want to see me play Pokemon Mystery Dungeon, Digimon Cyber Sleuth, Poke MMO, or League of Legends, go check out my Twitch below. If you want to see more of this content, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe.